guys, I hope you're all doing well. So today we went to the beach and I thought that I'd film a video for you guys. It's an easy follow along tutorial and it's in real time. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so first of all, I started by drawing this frame because I wanted the picture to look like a photograph. And now I'm starting with her eyes. And now I'm just drawing the other eye symmetrical to the first one. And then I'm going to start coloring in the pupils. Now just draw the outline of the eyebrows so we can work on them later. Now for the nose, I'm going to draw it a bit round. I'm drawing her lips a bit big and plumpy because it's more attractive.
There's not much to do.
And now for the best part of the drawing, the sunglasses.
Thinking about you, not doing well.
You can't spend the day on the beach without your sunglasses.
'Cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Now for the eyelashes, I'm going both ways in opposite directions. This gives them a voluminous look. And I also do the same for the eyebrows. I go in opposite directions.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it.
Now as a small finishing touch, I thought it'd be cute if I add a seashell.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
Now I just go over the lines a bit and over the shadows a bit.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside
I thought the picture would look more realistic if I add a bit of shadows and lines in the iris.
Nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I'll see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, this was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.